The roll geometry looks like a rectangle when we drag it up into our scene. And to see what's going on here, we're just going to drag a material on it, and that will allow us to see a little bit better what's happening with this roll. So if we go into the roll properties here, the first thing we have, again, a use LOD. We also have a size X that we can increase on the size X, and a size Y, we can increase or decrease our Y size. Now there's a tessellation, an angle, a diameter, and a helix factor. None of which will make much sense until we come down here into this time and start adjusting this to see what is happening here with our roll. So as I adjust our time here, you can see that our roll starts to roll up. And now if we come back and adjust our angle a little bit and our diameter and also our tessellation and helix factor, we can begin to see what's happening here. And notice as we do roll this up, we're losing the backside. So if I want to come up and drag my expert plugin onto our roll, and we can click on our expert plugin and turn on back face as well as two-sided lighting. And now we'll be able to see the back face of this roll. So as we come back into the roll properties here and play with our time and then come up and adjust our other settings, we can get this to where we want it. So again, we can adjust the angle, the diameter here. You can see how that's affecting the diameter of the roll. And then the helix factor is just how the little fold on the edge there goes up. So as I adjust my time, you can see that this is rolling up here. If we want to make the diameter a little bit smaller, we can. We also have a drawing, which we can switch to segments and mesh. There's also a style here, which is set to cigar roll by default, but you can also change that to wipe, and now it will wipe this off. So by adjusting your time here, you could set keyframes and have your roll object roll on or off.